We're in Charlotte, North Carolina. This building is called Project Tito. The equipment that is going in is 2 Mitsubishi VRF systems, both heat recovery classifications. There are 2 branch boxes and a total of 17 air handlers. I was aware of Gripple products when it came to duct hanging supports. I had no idea that they had a VRF line of hanging systems. Instead of your old school trapeze, a 3/8 threaded rod, unistrut, we built basically the same thing but out of the Gripple product. So we used the Fast Trak and then I believe it's the FlexiStak, the unistrut product from Gripple, and then various different styles of the J hangers to the aircraft cable supports for the pipe. It's a lot faster and it's very noticeable. It's a lot faster, a lot cleaner finished product.
When we're looking at some of the systems that they're using here, you'll notice that there's different levels that are being utilized for when they're hanging. You'll see some 45s go up and then come out. Where Gripple comes into play and is really beneficial is the ease of adjustment with either our hangers for the ductwork or with our Fast Trak or with the FlexiStak for the VRF pipes that are being installed. If they were doing it with threaded rod, it'd have to be moving nuts up and down and doing all that kind of stuff, and that gets really tedious. You know, the ease of install is a big deal. Safety is a real big factor as well. We're taking cutting tools out of their mechanics' hands. You know, that's probably the #1 reason a guy has to run to the emergency center. He's cutting threaded rod or he's cutting strut and he gets nicked up doing that. With Gripple, we take all that stuff away.
Before this, I had never seen Gripple. I've never worked with it. During this time frame, we've actually enjoyed working with it. It's a much easier system. It allows us to focus more time on getting everything in our quality even better. Once you got your levels and where you want it at as far as your heights, put your hangers in, put your ties in, slide your refrigerant copper lines in. Very simple system, very simple.
Once you're able to show them the labor savings that are involved and they start doing some internal checking on how much labor they're saving, time is money.
We finished one system 3 weeks ahead of time, just using Gripple products alone. The advice I would give to another contractor that is using a lot of different styles of hanging supports, go ahead and use Gripple. You're going to save yourself a lot of time, a lot of money, and a lot of aggravation. In the future, any refrigeration piping, condensate lines, or a massive system that has a combination of all of them, we will only be using Gripple. It's much faster. The variety of all the products has a different application, so you're not stuck into just one way of doing it. I don't see a reason why we would not be doing this in the future.